Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video we will learn about aggregation and composition in UML in software engineering in a simple and easy way. Okay, so first is what is aggregation. Basically, aggregation is a type of association in UML that shows a whole part relationship between objects. Okay, a whole part relationship means one object is made up of other objects. Okay, and in aggregation the part can exist independently of the whole. Okay, so basically aggregation is also called a weak association. Okay, okay, examples are a library and book. A library contains book, but a book can exist outside the library. Okay, these are aggregation example. Then UML representation. See, in UML aggregation is shown using a hollow diamond at the holes side. Okay, now we can see what is composition. So basically composition is a stronger type of aggregation in UML. It also shows a whole part relationship, but in this case the part cannot exist without the whole. Okay, so basically composition is also called strong ownership. And the examples, house and room. A room cannot exist without the house. If the house is destroyed, the room is destroyed too. Okay, so UML representation in this, in UML composition is shown using a filled diamond at the holes side. Okay, now we can see key differences. First one is existence. Aggregation part can exist independently. Composition part cannot exist independently. Okay, then strength of relationship. Aggregation weak relationship, composition strong relationship. Then ownership. Aggregation whole does not fully own the part, composition whole fully owns the part. Then representation in UML. Okay, first is aggregation hollow diamond at the holes side, in and other side composition filled diamond at the hole side. Okay, example aggregation, a library and book. A book can exist outside the library, and other hand a composition, a house and room. A room cannot exist without the house. Okay, so basically why it matters in software engineering. So basically helps in designing classes and objects in software. Then determines object lifetime and ownership. Okay, then guides developers in memory management and object dependency, and useful for like modeling real world relationships in software. Okay, so basically aggregation means weak whole part relationship. Okay, basically aggregation means weak whole part relationship. Part exist independently, hollow diamond in UML. And in composition strong whole part relationship. Part depends on whole, filled diamond in UML. And example of aggregation, library and book. Example of composition, house and room. Okay, that's all about aggregation versus composition in UML. Thank you.